In this video, I will show you how to change your Phantom Wallet password. So first of all, open up your Phantom Wallet app, and from the Home tab, you're going to click on the Account section at the top left. And in my case, I'm going to click on the arrow down next to Account 1. So let's click on this. And from here, we're going to click on the Settings icon at the top right. And right now, we're going to click on Security and Privacy. And in here, you will basically see all of your security settings. And the password that you have on Phantom Wallet is basically your PIN. So if you want to change your password, you need to click on Reset PIN, and then you will be able to create a new PIN code. So that is how you can change your password on Phantom Wallet. You can also use different methods to use this as a password. That is, for example, your recovery phrase. This is the most secure way to keep your account safe. So please be sure that you lock this somewhere safe. And you can also use your Face ID authentication or your facial verification if you have that on your device. So these are the main ways of how to secure your Phantom Wallet account. And again, there is no real password like you're used to. That is called a PIN in Phantom Wallet. So if you want to change that, you need to click on Reset PIN, fill in your old one, and then you can select a new one. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.